Hi guys, this is Matthias and welcome back to Agrotonomy Tower Farms. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make vegetable rolls. And this is why I am right now up on this ladder about to harvest these absolutely beautiful, bountiful collard greens. And collard greens are from the cruciferous family, like cabbage. In fact, it's technically a loose leaf cabbage. And growing superfood again. But it's not because of its nutritious qualities that I grow it personally. I grow it because of the perfect shape of its leaves. So let's harvest some beautiful collard greens. Hi guys, 2 weeks later, I'm back on the ladder. I never made it to my kitchen. 2 weeks ago, I started a little video intro to show you how to make vegetable rolls, and I was on my way to the kitchen, got a phone call, got distracted, blah blah blah. Let's blame the coronavirus. Just completely got sidetracked, but I'm back. I'm gonna show you how to make those vegetable rolls, and the reason why you're gonna get 2 intros for that video is because I wanted to show you in 2 weeks how the leaves of the collard greens have grown to this beautiful gigantic size. I personally prefer to make the vegetable rolls when they're a little smaller. I find that the texture is a little more tender, and from a taste perspective, I like it better when the vegetable is a little younger. But check this out. Now, let's go to the kitchen for real this time. I'll show you.
Whoa! Check out these roots! Wow, this plant! Collard greens at its healthiest.
Today, I am making my signature vegetable rolls. Here we are, at last in my kitchen, ready to make vegetable rolls. And these vegetable rolls are obviously inspired by Vietnamese fresh spring rolls, but it's the plant-based version, and let me show you how I do it. For this recipe, you are going to need the following: carrots, cucumbers, red bell peppers for sweetness, celery, alfalfa sprouts, avocado, coriander, cilantro, Asian rice noodles or mung bean noodles, rice paper. I prepare my vegetable by dicing them in little cubes like this, just because of the texture, just because I prefer it this way, because I find it very easy to roll. But you can slice them, dice them, cut them in little baguettes, in little fine strips with a mandolin. Again, this is my suggestion. Firstly, take a sharp knife and devein, remove this center vein of the leaf because it's gonna be too hard to roll into a break. So here's what we do. Go alongside. Keep it together at this. If you can keep this junction together, it is great. If not, doesn't matter. Fold it a bit on top of each other this way. I use hummus to somehow glue the whole roll together, and you can use pesto, you can use tapenade, but I love to put hummus because also it brings a protein contrast to the roll, making it like a full meal in itself. Okay, now we're gonna put the veggies, and again, you can choose whatever you want. Time to roll. Take it gently here, tuck it in, and just gently roll it this way. Oh, it's a beauty. I'm gonna cut the excellent leaf on each side, which is loose here. Put the rice paper in warm water for about 10, 20, 30 seconds, depending on how warm the water is. Okay, 10, 20 seconds later, I take a clean kitchen towel. Oh, this one is a little wet, but anyway. And I put the rice paper on the towel as it will absorb the excess of water. And it's a really nice little mat to stretch the rice paper in a way that will allow you to roll your vegetable roll. Now, I'm going to put my roll right here at the edge of the rice paper, and gently I'm going to roll it. And as I roll it, I flip the side back like this to make it snug and tight. And voila. Okay, time has come to display them now on a plate. I cut them in an angle like this, gently. And I stand them up like this. I like to put 1.5 per plate when it's not enough for me. Check these out. And, of course, little cilantro for garnishing here. Or parsley if you don't like cilantro. Although this one is really nice with cilantro. Voila. And there you go. Now, serve these babies with your favorite dressing. Again, the recipe is your inspiration. I'm only giving you a guideline, a culinary guideline. I personally like to serve them with a Vietnamese inspired dressing with soy sauce, ginger, roasted sesame oil, lime. Perfect. And have it this way, or again with your favorite dressing. Highly recommended.